Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi everybody, it's Mr. here once again, and today we're gonna have our English lesson. Now before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And of course, please don't forget to share this video to your loved one. And guys, if you wanted to be notified if I have already posted new videos, please click on the notification bell down below. Alright, so let's start. So our shared reading for today is entitled Jack Can. So let's answer first our essential question. What do you do at your school? You may answer that question. That's great, I can hear you. So let's start. One more time. Jack can. Max can. Can Jack? Jack can. Max can. Can Jack? Jack cannot. Jack is sad. Alright guys, thank you for reading with me, and then you can always read it again by yourself. But right now, let's do this little activity. Write 5 words that have the short A sound in the middle. For example, cat, man, and cap. Alright guys, thank you so much for reading with me, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye!